Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a detailed look at the ASUS ProArt Display 32-inch 4K HDR QD-OLED professional monitor, a flagship display engineered for filmmakers, photographers, colorists, and high-end creators who demand absolute color accuracy with elite performance. This monitor features a stunning 32-inch 4K UHD 3840x2160 QD-OLED panel, combining OLED's perfect blacks with quantum dot color enhancement. The result is exceptional contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant, precise colors that meet the strict demands of professional workflows. With 99% DCI-P3 coverage and factory-calibrated Delta E1, color accuracy is virtually flawless right out of the box. What truly sets the PA32UCDM apart is performance. It delivers an ultra-smooth 240 Hz refresh rate with an incredible 0.1 milliseconds response time, making it one of the fastest professional-grade OLED monitors available. This is ideal not only for video editing and motion graphics, but also for real-time previewing, animation, and ultra-smooth UI interaction. HDR support is top-tier. The monitor supports Dolby Vision, HDR 10, and HLG, allowing creators to work confidently across multiple HDR formats used in film, streaming, and broadcast. ASUS also includes auto-calibration support, ensuring long-term color consistency without manual recalibration hassle. It's fully Calman ready, making it easy to integrate into professional color-managed workflows. Connectivity is another strong point. With Thunderbolt 4, you get ultra-fast data transfer, display output, and power delivery through a single cable, perfect for MacBook Pros, high-end laptops, and professional workstations. The ultra-slim design gives it a clean, modern look while maintaining excellent thermal performance. Built for reliability, ASUS backs the ProArt PA32UCDM with a 3-year warranty, reinforcing its position as a serious investment tool rather than a consumer display. Whether you're grading HDR footage, editing high-resolution photography, or building a professional studio setup, this monitor delivers uncompromising precision and speed. If this breakdown helped, subscribe for more professional tech reviews, and check the link below to get the ASUS ProArt PA32UCDM on Amazon.